When do we use a heat map? Well, a heat map is best for identifying trends, patterns, or outliers in large datasets using color gradients. And the key word here is using color gradients. We have a sample dataset here of store sales for the months of January, February, March, April, and May. Let's select these values. And instead of going to Insert tab, we are going to Home tab. And all the way to Conditional Formatting, come to Color Scales. Okay. And going there, you can see this one uses green, yellow, red color scale. So the first one, which is green in this case, will give a gradient to the highest value, and the red one will represent the least value in this case. Okay, so the next one is what? Red, yellow, green. So in this case, red will represent the highest value and green the lowest value. But I don't really like multiple colors. I would rather have a few colors, in this case green and white, where green will represent the highest value and white the lowest value. Let me click it. So from this data, without any much fuss, you can identify that 27,000, which is in May, is the highest store sale in this data set, and 9,500 in January is the least sale in this data set. So that's basically how to use a heat map in data analysis.